Did you know that court is very helpful in our lives? Court is built by human beings in which we could find it in different places. There are different types of court, but right now I am here in an open court, which is a basketball court, in which we could play basketball, volleyball, and sepak takraw. In our hometown, we use court to place our rice so that it will be exposed by the sunlight. We have also covered court, in which most of the barangays use this court for meetings, assembly, and gatherings if there are lack of facilities or they may not be able to accommodate the number of attendees. But the most important thing is that court can change your life. Did you know that there is another court, which is the Court of Pillar? But what is Court of Pillar? It is a part of criminal justice system, a place where trials and legal cases happens. Those people present in such a place, especially those officials.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Those someone who can decide whether it's guilty or not. In short, court resolves disputes. When playing basketball, we defend the ball, just like the lawyers defending their clients, which is the defendant. Defendant is the one who's being accused by a criminal offense. Lawyers defend the rights of their clients to prove that he is not guilty beyond reasonable doubt. But what is lawyer? Lawyer is a licensed professional who advises and represents legal matters.
What is judge? A judge is an elected or appointed official who conducts court proceedings. Judges must be impartial and strive to properly interpret the meaning, significance, and implications of the law. We use ball when playing basketball, and the ball is an object. Inside a court, we use the word objection, that came from the word object, means draw against. According to George Wrong, objection is a formal protest raised in court during a trial to disallow a witness's testimony or other evidence in violation of the rules of evidence or the other procedural law. There are different types of court. The first one is the Supreme Court. It is the highest court of the Philippines. Aside from its power of judicial review, the Supreme Court of the Philippines also has the exclusive power to promulgate rules concerning the protection and enforcement of constitutional rights, pleading, practice, and procedure in all court. The second is the Court of Tax Appeals. The Republic Act No. 1125 on June 16, 1954 created the Court of Tax Appeals. It is a special court mandated to address the adjudication of appeals involving internal revenue tax and customs cases of the Commissioner of Internal Revenue and the Commissioner of Customs respectively. Next is the Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals is vested with the power to review all final judgments, decisions, resolutions, orders, or awards of regional trial courts and quasi-judicial agencies, instrumentalities, boards, or commissions, except those falling with the appellate jurisdiction of the Supreme Court to try cases and conduct. Next is the Sandigan Bayan. The Sandigan Bayan, also known as the Anti-Graft Court, they tries and decides criminal and civil cases against government officials and employees accused of graft and corruption and similar other offenses. Next is the Regional Trial Courts. The regional trial courts exercise appellate jurisdiction over all cases decided by metropolitan trial courts, municipal trial courts, and municipal circuit trial courts in their respective territorial jurisdiction. They had the power to try civil and criminal cases, as well as appeals from the decisions made by the municipality and city justice of the peace courts.